Alright, so today we're going to deal with this issue here. If you see the cursor here, it keeps getting frozen. So try to use a computer like this. It's literally unusable. It keeps freezing. What happens is Windows' zone automatically updates, and then from there install the graphics drivers. And this is an AMD APU chip with the R3 Radeon graphics. Sometimes, I don't know if it's just outdated or corrupt, but anyways, so what you do is you go to the search bar here, Windows 10, and type in Device Manager. And the thing is, it's not just a trackpad. Even if you're typing, like, it freezes. Like, if you're typing right now, look. You saw the delay there? I just put a brand new SSD in this computer, and it's been doing this. All right, device. I'll just type it all out. So, Device Manager. It'll bring you this here. You go to Display Drivers. And it has this. So, what you do is you right-click on it. Uninstall. Delete driver software. Just get it all completely gone. But like right now, if you see it, it's working perfectly. Obviously, now you have to go find the actual drivers for it. Like everything's usable. Go to Google. I'll just do it quickly here. So you just type in AMD Catalyst. Yeah, AMD Catalyst Install Manager. Alright, so click on the link here and gotta wait for it to download, and then we'll install it and see if it fixes the issue. So once it's done downloading, just run it and install the drivers. So this part will take a little bit here. Alright, so once it's done, you go here, you click on next. Just let it do its, so do express install and go next, accept, and let it install, and hopefully this is it. So during the process, you'll probably see it flicker a couple times. That's just the driver getting installed and the graphics card taking place here. Device Manager. You'll probably have to restart the computer, but let me just see if it came through. So there it is now. As you can see, there's still no lag. So I think it was just a corrupt software that Windows installed. I'm not sure if it was just out of date or what's going on, but now we got the drivers here for the graphics card. It's moving perfectly fine, perfectly well. So after this is done, you click on finish, restart the PC. So now that it's done, you click on restart, and then after that, yeah, should be all done. So hopefully this was helpful to you in some way. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.